All right, Sir Brian, great Perry. First of all, how are you feeling being here today?
Well, I have to give thanks and praise to the Most High for my first call up in a training camp for the national team. It's been grateful.
You've been working really, really hard for a moment like this. You said it's great, but how are you feeling when you get the call? How you feel when you get the call?
Well, I feel very proud of myself. Very, very proud. Tears of joy, if you know what I'm saying. I get that call where I was looking for a long time, but we'd have to make that move to get that call. So there it is.
How your family react when they find out they get it?
Wow, especially my mom was so happy for me. Been saying it's been a while. I'm playing football, so it's the time now where I was looking forward to. So.
So you've been playing football for a long while now. You finally got the opportunity to come at the highest level in Jamaica to come and play in the Premier League. And doing so, you have really, really outshined many of the players. And to be here today to get that call, do you think that hard work that you're putting really, really is coming to fruition now?
Yeah, just have to stay humble, be patient, take the chances when I get them. Most likely help out with my teammate, my team, listen to the coach's advice, and then that's it.
Being a striker is a confidence game. But when you miss a chance, how you feel? Are it really
Well,
affect you?
honestly, no, it do affect me because that's my purpose and that's my job out on the pitch to get the ball in the back of the net for my team. And with me missing, all my teammates just look at me, tell me to come again. Hopefully the next one I get, put it in the back of the net.
All right, so first of all, tell the fans, how old are you?
Well, I'm 27, 28 next month.
And what's the aim for where goal scoring is concerned this year? How much you decided to hit back? How much
Well, I did put it at 15 and see I got many chances where I could carry it higher, so my target right now is about 20.
All right, 20. Well, then you're on a call up and big up yourself all the time.
Yeah, my respect.